Welcome back to my channel. Are you also searching for a software that does disk cloning and backup for free? Then your search has ended, because today I have brought for you a software that does disk cloning and backup for free, and you will also get other features like syncing, schedule backup, and many more options. So without wasting time, let's head towards the video. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. To download the software, I will open the browser and search for AOMEI Backupper Standard, because we need the standard version. From the search results, I will open the official AOMEI website, where you will get the download link for AOMEI Backupper Standard. I will download the software from here, and while it downloads, let's check its features from the website. So here you will get the first feature for backup, the second for cloning, and the third for automatic sync, because these are the main features of this software. After the software is downloaded, I will open it and then choose the language. And then I will install the free version in the default location so I can tell you about its free features. After the installation is complete, I will open the software. So you will get all the options on the home page like backup, sync, restore, and you will also get the clone option. And in the side menu, you will also get the same options, but with detailed features. Like in backup, you will get every type of backup option like system backup, disk backup, partition backup, and many more. And below that is the sync feature, which also has different options. Then you will get the cloning feature, and finally you will get tools where you will get the option to create bootable media, through which you can use pre-boot software and can do important and precise work like cloning so that no issue arises. Other tools are also available, but they are paid features. So first, I will choose System Backup so that we can do a backup in the free version and check its quality. When I choose System Backup, the software will automatically select the system partitions. So I will just select the destination and click OK. And here you will also get options where you can add comments. You can encrypt the backup, but this is a pro version feature. You can enable a backup schedule, like daily, weekly, or monthly, whatever is feasible for you. You can change the backup scheme like full backup, incremental backup, or differential backup. And after that, you will get notifications and advanced options. So I don't change the settings and click cancel. And now I will start the backup. This process will take time, as you know. After the backup is complete, I will click OK. And now you will get the last backup on the home page, and you will also get many options with it. So now I will minimize the software and delete some software so that when I restore the backup, I can show you whether this software is working or not. So I will uninstall the AB Download Manager from here, and then uninstall Translucent TB. After the uninstallation is complete, I will now go to the software and click on Restore. You can simply select the last backup from here, but I will choose the image file from the destination, and then choose the Restore the System Backup option. But you can also choose any specific partition from here. In the next step, I will select the Restore to Original Location option, but you can also restore to a new location. As soon as I click Next, I will get a warning that the system partitions will be overwritten. So you should first back up your data. So I will click OK and start the restore. Then I will get an error that this operation will be completed in restart mode because system partitions are never overwritten during boot, so changes have to be made to them in offline mode. So I will click OK, and the setup will prepare the restart mode, meaning it will create a pre-boot environment. And then after restarting, the pre-boot AOMEI software will open and start the restoring process. After the restoring process is complete, the system will automatically restart, and Windows will boot. So if I now go to Settings and check the installed software, you can see here that the AB Download Manager, which I had uninstalled after the backup, is installed again, and Translucent TB is also on, meaning it has also returned. So now I will open the software and show you all how to do free cloning. As you can see, system cloning is not free, but other disk cloning and partition cloning are free. But if I go to disk cloning and select my system disk and choose a destination, but first I have to plug in an external hard drive on which to create the clone of the system disk. After plugging it in, I have to restart the software so that the external hard drive shows up in the software. And now I will do disk cloning. I will take a clone of my system disk on the external hard drive, but first I will get a warning that the destination disk will be overwritten and all data will be lost. So I will start, but it will ask me to upgrade the software so that the system disk clone feature can open, because my disk also includes the system disk. So without a subscription, I cannot take its clone. So I will do partition cloning and clone the D partition to the external hard drive. And after the cloning process is complete, I will show you a check that the cloning is 100% perfect. And if I show you a comparison, you can see that the exact same data is on my external hard drive. And if you want to do complete disk cloning, you can also do that for free. But for that, it is necessary that the source disk does not have system partitions. So if I open the software and apply the license key, which I have available, you can see that my software is registered. And if I now go to disk cloning and clone the system disk to the external hard drive, you can see that I did not get any error now, and the cloning has started. And after the cloning is completed, if I check, you can see that the exact same partitions and data have come to my external hard drive, meaning our cloning was perfectly done. Therefore, through this one software, you can secure your data through backup. You can clone whole disks, and you can sync files, all for free. And if you want to use more good features and want complete access to the software, then you can also take its subscription. In the next video, I will tell you how you can install Android OS on your system along with Windows, and can play PvP games with your friends without an emulator, and can do other work. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.